MobiFirst. Todd grosses MobiFirst. MobiFirst. Warning: WordPress and Wix sites are being penalized. Solution to the WordPress and Wix site problem. How to make your WordPress site the fastest on the internet. WordPress Killer is live ultra fast, ultra secure, mobile sites. How to make your Wix website much faster. The leading mobile site builder, when it comes to speed and security, is now available to WordPress and Wix site owners. This means that you can migrate your current poor-performing site right into MobiFirst and improve its performance, security, and as a result, site rankings. Have peace of mind that you never have to worry about security threats, never have to update your website ever again, never pay recurring hosting, all while knowing your website is performing at its very best, impressing Google and your site visitors with lightning load speeds across all devices. MobiFirst. You have to see it for yourself. You can move your content and start designing your new MobiFirst websites in minutes. There is just a low one-time investment that gets you access to all of this. MobiFirst Migrate tool to easily move content. MobiFirst Site Builder to easily design your sites. MobiFirst Site Templates. Choose from dozens and customize. Unlimited hosting, yes, for one-time investment. Unmatched site security, virtually unhackable. The fastest load speeds on the web. Google loves this. Technical support and first-in-class training. We virtually hold your hand, and that is just for starters. You must see all of it to believe it. WordPress and Wix site owners. This is a must-have solution to the problems you've been trying not to tell yourself, thinking there was no solution. But there is. Remember, no recurring hosting, no site updates, no security breaches, and top site performance across every single device. Holy cow, there's a brand new standard in the site building industry that builds the fastest, most secure websites on the internet. It is called MobiFirst. But what if you already have a site that is using WordPress or Wix as the platform it has been built on? Normally, I would tell you that you are out of luck and your sites are going to sink like the Titanic in the rankings. But we were petitioned by so many of you to be able to port over the content from your Wix and WordPress sites that we did just that. We developed a way to migrate your lousy performing expensive websites over to the future. Check it all out right here now. Todd grosses MobiFirst.